How to install 32-bit software on a 64-bit OS. So if you want to install 32-bit software on a 64-bit OS, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your control panel. Now, once you open up your control panel, you need to go with programs and features. Under that, it will take you to uninstall or change a program. So once you're here, you need to go with turn Windows features on or off. Just click on it. And here you will have an option of Internet Information System or services. You just need to simply click on it. Make sure that it is enabled. If it's not, just go and enable it and then go with OK. And it will load for a bit of time. And after completing your process, you can simply go with cancel. Now, once you've enabled that, now you need to go back and you just need to simply go with your search. And here you need to search for IIS, which is Internet Information Services. Just click on it and it will open up this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go and enlarge the option of your username. Just go with the drop down and here you will have two options. Go with application pools and here you need to right click on it, select that and then right click, go with the advanced settings. And here you will have an option of enable 32-bit application. Just click on it and on the right side you need to go with the drop down and go with true and now go with OK and that's it. It will enable your 32-bit system or the applications. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.